Welcome to the fast-paced world of today, where technology surrounds us 24/7. We're adapting faster than ever, crafting creative and innovative solutions to keep up with the speed of progress, but most of all to deliver the best service to meet customer expectations. Customers anticipate brief call durations and a broader array of options tailored to their needs, given their ability to access various channels with a simple click on their screens. It is imperative that these channels offer concise and effective resolutions to their concerns. Aware of the constant changes that technology brings to customer experience, in 2bglobal we are adapting to those changes. That's why we invest in cutting-edge infrastructure that brings new and innovative solutions to our clients. We are reimagining our products using technology to reduce costs and better engage customers to provide fast, efficient, and personalized experiences. In collaboration with our technology partners, we present a state-of-the-art digital contact center, featuring an omnichannel solution, which enables us to engage customers seamlessly through multiple touchpoints, including phone calls, video calls, text messages, and several media social platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Messenger. Introducing virtual agents, chatbots, and voice bots enhanced with artificial intelligence. Just like me, are components of this innovative system. While our primary focus lies in technology, we remain dedicated to nurturing our exceptional team of agents. By choosing to transition your operations to our platform, you can realize significant savings of up to 50% in contact center costs at our Mexico City site. Additionally, you have the opportunity to avail yourself of a competitive starting rate of $8 per working station hour. Our team comprises highly proficient and bilingual agents who possess a thorough understanding of the American market's needs. Do not hesitate any longer. Join 2bglobal now and elevate your CX experience. Ensure the perfect alignment of the right caller with the right information at the right time.